Hey bosses, it's Nina. So today is all about hashtags. I told you I would be doing at least 3 videos, and actually I told you I'd be doing 3 videos related to Instagram. I may actually extend that to 4 and post another one on Friday, but this video is all about how to find hashtags for Instagram. Now, as we jump in, keep in mind that I'm posting videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. There will be software reviews, application reviews, social media apps, basically everything you need to run a digital business. So if you have suggestions, go ahead and put them in the comments and let me know exactly what you want to see. But for now, let's jump into this new tool. So this tool is called All Hashtag. I actually just found it today, played around with it for a few minutes, and I actually love it. I've been looking at a couple of different hashtag applications. Some are really dedicated to Twitter, and I'm really looking for one that's dedicated to Instagram. So keep in mind here, you're not going to really find, I'll say, you won't find rankings in the way that I actually looked for. So we'll get through it, and I'll explain to you what I mean by that. So here, first, let me just scroll down to the bottom and see why they call it hashtag, all hashtag. At the bottom, you have, where did it go? So they have 4 different tools here. Hashtag generator, which helps you look at hashtags. We'll start there and generate hashtag ideas, okay? The next one is hashtag creator. This is just really simple, and you should be able to use it from your phone. I think from your phone it would be awesome. You type in a bunch of words, and instead of having to change your keyboard so you can put in that little hashtag symbol, it will actually generate the hashtags for you. The next one is analytics. This is the portion that I said I'm not really sure that I'm going to use this. Not sure if it just wasn't intuitive enough for me, or what I really believe, it probably doesn't have all of the features that I'm looking for, but I'll go over that anyway. And the last one is top hashtags, which I really may not use because I don't want to compete for the top hashtags because everyone is going for those. I want ones that are more niche down. So the 2 that I'll be using the most will be hashtag generator and hashtag creator. All right, let's start with the generator. Notice at the top, you'll see each of those 2. So generator, creator, analytics, charts, etc. This tool is free. Notice that they're making their money other ways on here, but let's go ahead and type in a term. And I think what I'm looking for is project management. I'm going to do a post about a project management tool. And I'll click on generate. Before I do that, it's a little hard to see. Notice you can see top, random, and then live. I'm going to go ahead and generate this. And it gives you a lot of different options. So the first area here, this gives us random hashtags with the term project management in it. Project Management Institute, Project Management App. You can right click, and actually I want that, and copy that, or you can copy the hashtags that way. I usually just use a notepad if I want to, and I'm just doing start and typing in notepad. And when I deal with things like that, I'll go through and I'll kind of delete things that I don't want. You can do this however you like. You'd either copy them individually or just select them all and then go through it. I'm just going to copy a couple individually and paste it over here as I'm going through here. But another way that you can use this tool, so on the right hand side, you'll see more random project management hashtags. I really want mine to be a little more succinct in what I'm doing. So I'm actually going to scroll down, and let's get this advertising out the way. There we go. So I'm going to scroll down to where it says similar hashtags like project management. So this is showing me other hashtags that are similar or that have shown up they're basically different variations. I like this better than the random ones at the top, but it does give you ideas. It's like an idea generator for hashtags. I'll copy those and I'll put them over to my notepad. So there's more, there's 30 at a time. Similar hashtags, and at the bottom you'll see other ones at the bottom. Okay, so one thing I did notice is when you use the words at the bottom, if you click on it, so for instance, let's say project management software, I click on it, I don't get all of the features. Let's see if it does it this time. Yeah, so I don't get the extra suggestions. You just kind of get the top 30 best. So I would always go up here to generator and start there to generate your hashtags, okay? So let's move on to the next tool. The next tool is called the hashtag creator. And this is what I was saying, it would be simple to use this from your phone. So I could just type in like project management, project manager, project management app, And the goal here is basically you already know your hashtags or words. You can copy and paste them from other places and it will automatically add that hashtag. Now, from your desktop, that might not be a big deal, but from your phone, it takes a lot of extra steps to get those hashtags in. So this is just a great tool to go ahead and type your words really, really quickly, and it will generate those or create those hashtags for you. Okay, so this is one of the tools that I want to show you, but I personally probably won't use. It's called Hashtag Analytics. Track and analyze hashtags for your marketing strategy. So I'm going to put in project management again. Start analytics. And basically what it tells us at the bottom is that it's going to tell us our ranking, our hits, and our words. And so for me, I'm looking at how many times it shows up in a search versus what the details are, like who's using it. I'm not sure what to do with this information. And so maybe if someone from all hashtags sees this, they'll give me some more information. But this just doesn't help me, but it may help you. So I would take a look at this if it's something that makes sense to you. I'm just going to put in socially Nina because I want to see. I use my hashtag every once in a while. I'm not consistent. It's a great time to tell you, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. And also I have 2 other videos on Instagram. I'll put them at the top in your right hand corner so you can see those. And actually I have several videos on Instagram, but 2 recent ones on how to auto post and how to find hashtags. All right, as you're looking through here, see, I don't understand what this is about. So this isn't something that I'm going to use. It's just not intuitive enough for me to just figure it out on its own. So I'm going to skip that tool. The last tool, so we have here, it has the charts and it'll tell you like the most popular hashtags today, last 7 days, last month. So this is just a great way to see what is popular and what's going on. Again, I don't really use these a lot, especially not the like for likes. This is just I just don't like doing that because that's like for like and follow for follow are just fake followers and they're not really targeted people. So this feature is just overall the popular tags that are on Instagram, not something that I would really use, but if you need this data, this is a great tool to use for that. So the 2 that I recommend is the generator and the creator, all hashtag generator and all hashtag creator for finding the right hashtags for Instagram. So if you have any questions or if you have additional topics or applications that you want me to find out or find for you or try for you, go ahead and add the information in the comments below. Do not use links, but you can let me know which apps you would like me to check out. Also, if you haven't done so already, go ahead and go back to my other 2 videos on how to auto post on Instagram and how to find hashtags for Instagram using Tailwind. The information is above in your right and also below and probably on your screen right now. All right, ciao.